we'll guide you through how to make Valentine background illustrator. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Illustrator on your computer and begin by creating a new document. Choose New File from the Start screen. Then select the Web Large preset size and click Create to open the artboard. Once the artboard is ready, start the design by selecting the Rectangle tool. Draw a rectangle that covers the entire artboard area so it can serve as the background. After drawing the rectangle, remove the stroke color to keep the design clean and simple. Next, change the fill color of the rectangle to a pink shade. To give the background more visual depth, open the Gradient panel and apply a gradient effect. Combine the pink color with another neutral and soft color, such as white, red, or a lighter pink tone. Adjust the gradient amount, style, and direction until it matches the look you want for the design. When the base background is finished, add another layer to keep the next elements organized. On this new layer, create additional decorative elements by using the Shape tools. Draw a heart by combining shapes made with the Rectangle tool. Continue adjusting the shapes and their colors until they clearly form a heart and fit the overall Valentine theme. After the heart is complete, select the Line tool to create more design elements. Use lines to add visual interest and support the main heart graphic. Then combine these line elements with the blend effect so the artwork displays more detail and a smoother decorative appearance. Arrange all of the objects carefully across the artboard. Check that the gradient transitions smoothly across the background and that every decorative element remains visible against the pink tones. Remove anything that feels distracting and keep the focus on the heart.